Hey everyone, it's Rebecca with Digital Thinker, and today I am going to highlight the checklist improvements that were included in the 12.2 release. Also, if you have questions about specific Hexagon EAM functionality, please comment below and we'll try to answer your questions in a future video. But for now, let's start by reviewing the enhancements to checklist item documents. First, there is a new Upload Multiple Documents option available under Actions. This allows for multiple documents to be selected and uploaded simultaneously. Also, rather than selecting Add, Edit, Checklist Item Documents from the Actions, you can now double-click on a checklist item to open the documents pop-up. And what I really like is drag and drop capability has been added to the pop-up. So you can drag and drop multiple documents. Now that I have uploaded a couple of documents, I can simply double click on a document to view the document. This is determined by the Doc Open Install parameter. I would also encourage you to test the Scale Fit install parameter. The Scale Fit install parameter controls whether documents auto-scale to the size of the browser window. Another enhancement impacts dynamic checklists. There is a new org option, CHCKLAUS, to automatically save checklist items that may trigger a dynamic checklist item if a condition is met. In this environment, I have changed the value to yes. The autosave occurs when a user clicks on another checklist item. Let's take a look at this in action. Here I have a checklist item, and based on the result, additional checklist items will appear. But since there is not another checklist item to select, which triggers the autosave, I have to manually save in this example. Now, for my second checklist item, I can enter in a result, and in this example, I can simply click on the next checklist item. Since I have another checklist item to click on, the system will auto-save and my dynamic checklist item will appear. This enhancement also applies to digital work. And for EAM offline mobile users, dynamic checklist items automatically appear when a condition is met. Thanks for watching this video, and be sure to check out the playlist dedicated to the 12.2 enhancements.